Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable. This is Chef Vicky Ratnani and we are here to solve all your tiffin worries with 200 tiffin recipes for 200 school days by India's most favorite chefs. So today we are making chana and potato croquettes. Chana are a great form of protein and very well to digest, and it's going to keep your child full of energy all day. So let me show you how to create har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin. So let's add a little bit of oil and sweat our onions, little soft. So while these are getting sauteed, let's add some mashed potato. Let's add some cooked yellow peas or chana. फिर हम डालेंगे इसमें थोड़ी सी नमक, some Amchoor powder, some Chaat masala, Jeera powder, some black salt and a little bit of red chilli powder. So these are a little soft. We add it into the mixture. What I've done, I've taken some brown bread, soaked it with a little bit of milk, squeezed the milk out, and some fresh dhania yani ke coriander. Now using a masher, literally mash it till they start kind of binding together. So once the mixture is almost done, we're going to use some Kissan Sweet and Spicy Sauce to this. Now the sweet and spicy sauce is going to give a really nice balance of tanginess, spiciness and tomato-ness. Okay, so it's going to be absolutely perfect. It's going to complement all our flavors and your child is going to love these croquettes so much. So just take a little bit of water in your hands and you can make any size you want, you know. You can make smaller ones, you can make large ones. Lovely. So let's flip these lovely croquettes. So let's start assembling our tiffin. Some lovely pistachios, fresh pineapple, which is really good for your child. And then our gorgeous croquettes. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to India Food Network, and I'm going to be back tomorrow with a fabulous recipe so that you can create har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.